Till now, we have seen what is nth term of an AP, how we identify an AP, what is nth term of an AP. It is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We discussed what is nth term of AP. It is a plus n minus 1 into d. If you want to find 13th term, you will write a13 is equals to a plus 12d. If you want to find a20th term, you will write a plus 19d. Okay, so till now we have seen what is nth term of an AP or general term of an AP, or how to identify an AP. Now our next topic is sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay, so what is first? Try to understand. It is sum of first n terms of the AP. If we write suppose as 13, what is it? It is sum of first 13 terms. It is sum of first 13 terms. Okay, notice this thing. It is sum of first 13 terms, that is from first term to 13th term, their sum will be as 13. If you write as 10, it is sum of first 10 terms. If we write suppose as 25, it is what? Sum of first 25 terms. Similarly, if you are saying as n, it is what? Sum of first n terms. So we are going to derive the formula for Sn. What will be sum of first n terms of the AP? So for this, let's assume first term equals to small a and common difference is small d. So if first term is small a and common difference is small d, what should be AP? We know very well what should be AP. Your AP will be what? A plus d, a plus 2d. If you continue in this way, it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. If you wish to write, this is what? This is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term, and this is your nth term. If you wish to write n minus 1th term, what will be n minus 1th term? It will be a plus n minus 2 into d. Okay, so this is AP. We have to find the sum of this AP. How many terms are there? First, second, third, up to nth term. So we have to find the sum of all these terms. So to find sum of these terms, what are we writing? It is a plus d plus up to and so on. If you continue in this way, it will be a plus n minus 2 into d plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is what? First term plus second term plus third term plus up to and so on, n minus 1th term, and this is your nth term. This is what? Sum of first n terms. So how will you represent this? It is Sn sum of first n terms. Now just tell me one thing. If you are finding 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11, what will be 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11? Something whatever is, if you find 11 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, both will be same or not? If you wish, you find 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11, it will be sum, and the same sum will be if you find 11 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. So similarly, if you had added a plus d up to and so on, a plus n minus 2 plus 8 plus n minus 1 into d, if we write this in this way, a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into d plus up to and so on plus a plus d plus a. It will also be Sn or not? Yes, it will be Sn. What have we done? We have just reversed the AP, and after reversing AP, sum will be same. If it's 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 or 11 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, both are same. So similarly, a plus d plus up to and so on, a plus n minus 2 into d plus a plus n minus 1 into d. It will be same as a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into d plus up to and so on, a plus d and a. Okay, hope it is clear for everyone. Any doubt? Okay, so now what are we doing? Let's add these two equations. If you will add these two equations, what will you have? Sn plus Sn. It will give you twice of Sn. What it will be? If you add this and this, we are adding corresponding terms. So a plus a will give you 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus what it will be? A plus d, and it is a plus n minus 2 into d. What it will be? Just let's find it here. It is a plus d and plus a plus n minus 2 into d This is a plus a. It is 2a plus. Just take d common from these two. If you take d common, what it will remain? It will be 1 plus n minus 2, and 1 plus n minus 1, n minus 2 will give you n minus 1 into d. So it is what? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what can you write here? You can write here, it is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Similarly, if we continue to add all the terms, what it will be? It will be 2a plus n minus 1 into d and plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, hope it is clear for all. Okay, now let's see. If you have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it will be what? We all know it will be 12. Okay, so we are discussing something different. It is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times? 4 times. It is equivalent to 3 into 4. Look here. If we add 3 5 times, it will be equivalent to 3 into 5. So if we add 3 n times, what it will be? 3 into n. Very good. Okay, so it is what? That's great. 3 into n. In the same way, look here. This is what? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. One time. Plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Second time. Plus up to and so on. How many times you have added 2a plus n minus 1 into d? It is first, second, and this is your nth. So how many times 2a plus n minus 1 into d is being added? N times. So what it will be? It should be your 2Sn is equals to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 2 in the right hand side, so it will be n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is first formula to find sum of first n terms of the AP, where a is your first term, d is your common difference. Okay, so now let's find another formula. What is this? So you have this Sn is equals to, so we can write this also, Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a. 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Just what we have done, just 2a, it is 2a, so we have written this a plus a. Now a plus n minus 1 into d, we know what is it. Yes, very good. It is what? An. So what is it? Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket a plus an. So this is another formula to find sum of n terms of the AP. So, or you can write it also what? Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket first term plus last term. Okay, so this is another formula to find sum of n terms of the AP. So whenever we need to find sum of first n terms of the AP, we can use this formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or this formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket a plus an. When we will use this formula, if we know what is n, what is a, and what is d, then we will use this formula. If we know n, first term and last term, then we will use this. Better understand the formula of sum of first n terms of the AP, which is Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's take this example. This is second question, fourth part of NCERT from 5.3 exercise. So what is here? We have to find the sum of this AP up to 11 terms. So what is given to you? We are given here, what is a is equals to 1 by 15. First term is here 1 by 15. Okay, what is next? D. What is D? D is what? Always a2 minus a1. D is what? Always a2 minus a1. So it will be 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. When solve this by taking LCM, 60 will be LCM. 12 5s are 60 and 15 4s are 60. So it will be 1 upon 60. So what we have? D 60, and how many terms? Up to how many terms we have to find the sum? 11 terms. So what is n is equals to 11. So what is formula for sum of first n terms? It is Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Hope it is clear to all. Yes, very good. So it will be what? S11 is equals to 11 upon 2 bracket 2 into a. A is your 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1, it is 10 into d. D is your what? 1 by 60. Very good. So 0 के साथ 0 हो गया. So what it remains now? It is S11 is equals to 11 upon 2 bracket 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Is it okay? Just solve it. You can solve it very easily. It will be what? 11 upon 2. When you take LCM, it will be what? 15 and 6 LCM is 30. 15 2s are 30, 2 2s are 4, and it is 4 plus 5. So it is what? S11 is equals to 11 upon 2 into 9 upon 30. So 3 3s are 9, 3 10. So S11 is equals to 33 upon 20. So what is sum of first 11 terms of this AP? It is 33 upon 20. So it better explains the formula. This is Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, note it down. This is question number 9 of exercise 5.3 from NCERT. What is the question? If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and sum of first 17 terms of AP is 289, we have to find the sum of first n terms of this AP. So what is the formula of sum of n terms? Yes, very good. It is Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So to apply this formula, what we need? Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So to apply this formula, what we need? Only a and d, and we have to find the sum of first n terms. So answer will be in n only. So what is it? We have to find a and d, and to find a and d, we are given two conditions. Look here. Sum of first 7 terms is 49 and 70 terms is 289. So by using these two conditions, we can find a and d, and just put a and d in this formula. You will find sum of first n terms. So let's do it. So what is this? What is given to you? We are given S7. What is S7 is equals to 49. And what is S7? It is 7 upon 2 bracket 2a plus 7 minus 1. It is 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equals to 49. So it is, look, this 7 upon 2 is in whole multiplication with this. So it can be cancelled out. 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. It is 1 upon 2 now only. 1 upon 2. It is what? 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d. It is 7. Now 2 can be taken out. From this 2 is common. 2a plus 6d. So just take 2 out. It is a plus 3d is equals to 7. So 2 and 2, it is a plus 3d is equals to 7. Say it is equation 1. Now similarly, what is second condition? Second condition is sum of first 17 terms is 289. So what is given to you now? We are given S17 is equals to 289. What will be formula? It is again n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just apply the formula and get the answer. It is 17 upon 2 bracket 2a plus 16d. 17 minus 1 is 16. So it is 289. Now this 17 upon 2 is in whole multiplication with this. So this is 17 ones are 17 and 17 17s are 289. It is 1 upon 2. Again you can take 2 common from here. So it is 2 upon 2 bracket a plus 8d is equals to 17. This 2 and 2 cancelled out. So a plus 8d is equals to 70. Look, now we have two equations, equation 1 and 2. By using equation 1 and 2, we can easily find a and d, and then we can find the sum of first n terms. So what is from equation 1 and 2? From equation 1 and equation 2, what is a plus 3d is equals to 7 and a plus 8d is equals to 17. When you will subtract, so it will be what? A minus a is 0. So what it gives you? It gives you minus 5d is equals to minus 10. So it is minus 5d is equals to minus 10, which gives you d is equals to 2. And when you put d is equals to 2 in equation 1, you will get a is equals to 1. Now we have a and d. Now we can find the sum of first n terms. It is Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just put the values. Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2 into a. It is 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. We have to find n minus 1 into 2. So it is Sn is equals to, look, what is it? N upon 2 bracket n, sorry, it is 2 plus, when you multiply this, 2n minus 2. If 2 and 2 cancelled out, so it will be Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2n. 2 cancel out, so Sn is equals to n square. So what is sum of first n terms of this AP? N square. Sometimes it seems a very typical question, but when you think positively in the right direction, apply the proper formula, easily you can get the answer. Just look here, we are given two conditions, S7 and S17. We apply both the conditions and get two equations. After solving these two equations, we get the value of A and D, and just put the value in Sn. You get the answer. Sum of first n terms is n square. You can cross check whether your answer is correct or not. Look here, sum of first n terms is n square. Just find sum of first 7 terms. Put the value of n7. It is S7 is equals to 7 square, which is 49 given to you, and sum of first 17 terms is 289. Put 17 here. 17 square is 289, so it is correct. Okay, we have understood till now how to use the formula of sum of first n terms. Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's have question to apply the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket a plus an, or n upon 2 bracket first term plus last term. Okay, so now what is here? Look, to understand this formula, we have taken again question from NCERT from exercise 5.3, second question, first part. So what is given to you here? We are given a is equals to 7, and what is d is equals to? D is your always a2 minus a1. So it is 10 into 2, 20 plus 1. It is 21 upon 2 minus 7. Very good. So it is what now? 7 upon 2. Very good. And what is an? Is equals to 84. Now, to find sum of n terms, Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket a plus an. What we have now? We have a, we have an, but we don't have n. That is, how many terms are there from 7, 10 and a half to 14 till 84? So first we have to find the value of n by using an. So how can we find the value of an? So before applying this formula, we have to find the value of n. So because an is equals to 84, so an is what? A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 84. So what is a? A is your 7 plus n minus 1, and we have to find, and d is 7 upon 2, which is 84. Take the 7 into RHS. What it will be? It is n minus 1 into 7 upon 2, which is 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7 will give you 77. So it is n minus 1 into 7 upon 2. This 7 upon 2 is in multiplication with n minus 1. So this 7 and 77 can be cancelled out. Okay, so what is it? 7 ones are 7, 11. When you multiply this, it is n minus 1 is equals to 22, and n is equals to 23. So it gives how many terms are there? There are 23 terms. So now it's easy. How can we find the formula? We find the sum of first 23 terms. Either you can formula use now, Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or for easy calculation, we can use Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket a plus an. Very good. So what is this? We have all the terms here. So Sn is equals to n upon 2. What is n? Now we have found it is 23 upon 2. What is a? A is 7 plus what is 84 an. So it is Sn is equals to, it is 23 into 91 upon 2, which gives you 23 into 91 will give you what? 2093 whole upon 2. And if you find this in mixed fraction, it will be 1046 and half. So this is sum of 23rd terms of this AP, that is from 7 to 84. This is sum. So this is how can we use this another formula of AP. You can find this by using the first formula, Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because now we have a, d and n, all terms we have, but this formula make the question easy.